Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. Today we'll be looking at the PMP exam format regarding the number of questions, the time that is given for the exam, and the number of breaks that you will get in the exam, and some important considerations. So let's dive right in. Okay, starting off, we'll have a total of 180 questions, out of which 175 will be scored and 5 will be pre-test questions. These 5 questions are placed in the exam by PMI for their own analysis, research, and development. So, to sum it all up, it is 180 questions in 230 minutes. So you have the total time for you to solve these 180 questions is 230 minutes. Now let's move forward to how many breaks you will have in the exam and some other important considerations regarding the format. Okay, so the number of breaks that you will have in your exam are two. You will have two breaks in your exam. One break will appear after question number 60, and the other break will appear after question number 120. After you have solved the first 60 questions, you will be able to take the first break, and after you've solved the next 60 set of questions, you'll be able to take the next break. Now, what's important over here is that both the breaks are 10 minutes each. And this is a very important point that you have to consider and you have to remember that you will not be able to review the previous questions after the break. What does this mean? For example, you are on question number 60 and after question number 60, you'll have a 10-minute break. But if you proceed to the break, you will not be able to review these 60 questions after the break. You will just move on from here. So before going to the break, before going into break number one, you have to ensure that you go through all the marked questions till question number 60. If you have any marked questions or if you have any questions uh, that are not answered, so you must answer them before going to the break, because after the break you'll not be able to review them. Same is the case with the second break. After question number 120, you'll get the second 10-minute break. But before proceeding to the break, you have to make sure that you have answered all the questions. For example, what happens in the exam is when you are solving the question, if you find a question difficult or if you see that a question is taking a bit of your time, you skip it, you mark it, and you move forward. So before going to the break, both of these break, you have to see your marked questions and you have to make sure that you attempt those questions and then move to the break. You don't have to leave any question unattempted because there is no negative marking in the PMP exam. So these were just a few considerations, a short rundown of the format of the PMP exam. I hope you liked the video. Take care. God bless.